Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Ashley and I hope you're having a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is when you're watching this. Hope it's going great. So hi, I have blue hair. I know, I haven't, it's new. That whole process will be in my next video. I just haven't finished all of like the content for that video yet, so yeah, surprise, it's blue. For today's video, I thought it would be a fun idea to try some popular internet challenges with my boyfriend. My boyfriend isn't really on like social media that much, so he doesn't really know any of these challenges, and I thought it would be fun to try them with him. So the first challenge we're gonna be doing is with both of us. It's gonna be the real laugh challenge. And then I wanted to try the touch my body challenge just because I think that that's like funny. Probably only gonna do like 2 or 3 different body parts, but I just thought it would be funny to put in here. Other 3 challenges I actually found on TikTok, not on YouTube. So they're like a little bit shorter of challenges, but yeah. Thought we would try them out. I thought it would be a fun video, and yeah, let's get into it. So for the first challenge, the real laugh challenge, basically what we do is one of us lays on the ground and crosses our arms, and then you have to, oh shoot, how do you do it? I think you have to like breathe in, and then as they're breathing out, the other person like is over top of them and presses down on them, and it's supposed to like reveal your real laugh. So let's go. This is my boyfriend who I'm gonna be doing the challenges with. You excited? He's excited. Okay, let's go. So cross your arms. And breathe in.
Hold on, can't breathe.
Take a deep breath in. Why are you laughing?
Ow! The fuck? They fucking stabbed me with your fucking leg.
Sorry. What the fuck?
You can't do it right. Oh, hold on. That hurts already.
I feel like I'm just hurting you.
Oh. Get off me. I also weigh a lot more than you.
Yeah.
So you put a lot more pressure on me.
Hurt.
I know, that's why you started laughing, because it hurts. That I wasn't laughing because it was funny. Because of the pressure. I told you.
Oh, ow. Like, I literally had to like sit on you.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I also weigh twice as much as you do, so.
So for this next one, the touch my body challenge, it's gonna be blindfolded. Can you see?
I can't breathe now.
Put your finger on a body part of mine, and you have to guess which body part it is, okay? Okay. Guess which body part it is.
A nail?
Kind of. What nail?
What do you mean, what nail?
Where is it? What body part is it?
Oh, your finger.
No. What am I guessing?
Your toe?
Which toe?
How do you know what toe? The right toe?
No, like which toe on my foot?
Oh. Your big toe.
Yeah, my thumb.
I was like, oh, your ear.
Yeah, it was behind my ear.
Right there.
I'm not touching anything. What the fuck? Your bicep? Your elbow! Your weenus!
Don't move your finger.
What the fuck is that? Ew, what is that? Oh, I know what it is. What is that? Is that your web?
Yeah.
Dude, that felt like a anal ring or something. I don't know, like some type of like latex ring, like a Nuva ring. Hey, let me show you what it feels like.
Oh, that foot.
It feels weird, right? Can you love it, chair? Okay, so this next one I saw on TikTok. So I just drew 5 lines, and the challenge is to make 5 lines 10 using only 4 lines.
5 lines, 10.
Using only 4 lines.
Can I just draw to the middle?
Why would that, how would that be 10?
Because it cuts each one in 2 different lines. Because it'd be 1 line here, 1 line there. If I draw a line here, it'd be 1 line, 1 line, 1 line, 1 line.
No, because they're still connected.
Oh, that's what I'm asking. I'm asking what are the rules?
It's pretty smart though.
You just said.
Make 5 lines.
Yeah.
10, yeah. No, that's pretty smart. That's a good solution. Actually, nobody thought of that.
Oh, you said 10, not 10 lines.
Did I?
Oh, well, repeat what you just said.
Make 5 lines 10 using only 4 lines.
Oh. So then can I just do this? Oh, no, never mind. So there's 1.
No.
Yeah, that's 10. And then you can just X this one out.
You have to include this.
You never said, that's what I'm asking you. What are the rules?
You have to make the 5 lines 10.
I need to know what 10 what? 10 lines? A 10 sign? I mean, because then you're like messing up with what I'm trying to do. If it was up to me, I would just make it number 10.
Am I doing this wrong?
You're probably doing this wrong. See?
Okay, so I messed that one up. We have to start over. It's supposed to be make 4 lines 10 using only 5 lines. I messed it up. I got it backwards.
Well, that's why I told you.
Make 4 lines 10 using 5 lines.
This is easy.
Ah!
You think I'm a moron? That I could do it with that one, but that's the thing. Like that was an extra line. That's why I told you. Like there was no way. I mean, was there rules? Could I leave a line out or anything? Because that one, it was the same thing.
I know. I messed up. Sorry.
Either way, too smart for this shit.
Next one is a math problem. He's good at math, so I don't know. He might be able to get this one.
Unless you draw it so big.
I know. I made it really well. It's because so that you can see
Go
it.
get another paper. You don't give me any room to operate.
Okay, let me see that. That's the math problem.
Okay, that doesn't make any sense.
The challenge is with 1 line to make this statement true. No, sorry. Okay, wait, I forgot to say it.
I don't get it. Like
No, it's supposed to be without touching the equal sign. Hold on.
Oh my God, lady.
Okay, so now make this statement true without touching the equal sign.
Wait, make this statement.
Oh, by draw. Okay, sorry. I saw. Make this statement true by using 1 line without touching the equal sign. Just drawing 1 line, make it true, and you can't touch the equal sign.
And I can't touch this.
You can't touch the equal sign.
That's out of the way.
You can touch anything after or before the equal sign, though. 1 line.
1 line, that's that. I can't cross that out.
No. Do you give up? You want me to tell you?
No.
Okay, so he thought that this would be the answer, crossing out the 550. But that's not the right answer, so try again.
He said 1 line, can't do it here. So then,
And you can't touch the equal sign.
well, that's what I'm saying. I can't draw it. Is it one line or one whole number? Or you
One
sure?
line.
Because I don't.
It's just one line.
So, yeah, real quick on the rules. Is it one line or one full mark?
One line.
So one line, just literally.
Just one line. Horizontal, vertical, whichever, diagonal.
Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is there like limits to the way I draw the line?
Just one line. Well, there's no limits, but there's a right answer.
I give up.
You give up? You ready? I'm gonna do it on mine 'cause it's a little bit easier to see.
Go ahead.
Ready?
That's why I was like, I know it's somewhere in between the pluses.
Yeah.
Like, I couldn't.
So this was the correct answer. To make a line on the plus sign, make it a 4. 454 plus 5 equals 550. You failed that one, babe. Is it? Okay. Watch what I do, and then after I do it, you do it on yourself, okay? You understand? Okay. Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
No.
I don't know.
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
So then Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
No.
You did, that's what you did.
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
No. Pay attention. Come here, you're giving out the thing. Pay attention, okay? Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
Do it again.
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
That's what you're doing. Even if I do it from here. Johnny,
No.
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny. It's the same thing. Oh, let me see, do it again.
You figured it out.
You're doing it with the road.
Wait, what?
Go.
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
Yeah, you're doing it with the same thing. I don't know what else you want me to do.
Pay attention to the whole thing, babe. Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
I did it that same way. I'm not gonna keep doing it. No.
Babe, focus. Watch everything that my hands are doing, okay? Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
Yeah, you did it the same way. I'm not gonna keep fucking doing it if I.
Babe.
What?
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
You went in maybe a little bit, but that's all you did. You missed it just a slightly. I don't think you did it intentionally.
Pay attention. Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
And then you did this.
Yeah. So do it.
Oh.
So what is it?
Johnny, 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 whoop, Johnny, whoop, Johnny, 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 Johnny.
Yes.
I was like, God. Get off me.
Doing these challenges was a lot of fun. It was really fun stumping my boyfriend because he thinks that he knows everything. So it was fun getting him on that 5 plus 5 plus 5 one. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know that you like these kind of videos or this specific video by giving me a thumbs up down below. Maybe I'll find some more internet challenges to try because this was actually pretty fun. Babe, did you have fun?
Yeah.
So thank you all so much again for watching. I will see you all in my next video, which will be the process of dyeing my hair blue because now I just like randomly have blue hair, but it's okay. All right, I'll see you all then. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.